What's going on, guys? I'm holding the mic today. Beautiful day here in Connecticut. It's almost 60 degrees anyway. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you guys like this content and you want to see more, what's up, Joe?
What's up?
What's going on? So we're responding today. We've been getting some inquiries and some questions from you guys. We got an interesting one today that we wanted to address really quick. If you want to mention it, for simpler terms, someone was asking us if there is a such thing as a perfect list that they can pull. So, perfect list, assumingly maybe with like motivated sellers only, people kind of ready to go. Like, what's your thoughts on like, does a perfect list exist?
Well, there's no such thing as a perfect wholesale list, because if there was, all the big companies would be buying them and you and I would not get the opportunity. It's that simple, it's that quick. You gotta work every list.
Right. As you heard, you got to work every list. There's no such thing as a perfect list. If there was, like you said, these bigger companies, they would just be, who can pay the most money for it, right?
They'll spend, they'll buy it.
There's no such thing. So really, at the end of the day, you got to get the list that you can get, and you just got to work through them.
But here is the solution. The solution is you have to either learn how to market or pay an expert. So you can hire cold callers, you can hire texters, you can hire people to pull lists from the county, but that's not marketing. That's just like admin stuff. You want to pay like a cold caller to make the calls, take a script, give it to them. So the solution's like, there's no perfect list. You just got to work it. It's a numbers game, right? So if you're cold calling 10,000 people and you quit at 1,000, you missed your opportunity. That's what I got to say.
You heard it here first, right? So listen, appreciate you guys like asking us questions and bringing inquiries. There's no such thing as a dumb question, especially when you're getting started. But, as we said, there's no such thing as a perfect list. And we're working on some things behind the scenes, whether it's programs, mentorships, courses, whatever the case may be. We're working on some things right now. So stay tuned for that. Signing off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you soon. Peace.